Welcome back to Checkout Guy YouTube channel. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can automatically give customer tags for customers based on their order count. Means how to organize your customers by order count. So for this, we are using the Shopify Flow app from Shopify App Store. It's a free app from Shopify, so you can also install in your store and you'll be able to make that. This video is sponsored by Next Discount, the only Shopify app that lets you cap discounts. Example, offer 10% off but stop the savings at 200 rupees. Next Discount handles it automatically. Protect your profit and run smarter sales. Search Next Discount in the Shopify App Store today. So after installing the app, you'll be on the Flow app, right? So for example, you'll be on the Flow app and I already created a workflow. So I'll explain that workflow easily. So I'm just taking this workflow and editing this. So what I did is any customer who has an orders which is greater than 6, they are gold customers, which is greater than 4, they are silver customers, and which is greater than 2, they are bronze customers. That's what I did. So first what we'll be doing is, so I'll explain the flow. When any order is created, then I will check the number of orders of that particular customers who's greater than or equal to 2, and I will remove the tags of that customers with silver or bronze and add a new tag which is gold tag. And if it's not greater than, or like the customer has not placed an order greater than 6, then we'll check is it greater than 4, right? Then we'll remove the bronze VAP tag and add the silver tag, right? And if this is not also true, then we'll check if the order values less than 2 or greater than 2, then we'll add that customer as bronze customers. So this is how you can add customers with different customer tag. So what's the purpose of adding this? So once you have your trustable customers, you can make different discounts, promotions. So for example, you can make discounts like capping discounts. For example, the discounts like 10%, you can give a 10% off and give a maximum of 50. So for example, you can give 10% up to 100 for your gold customers and 10% up to 60 or 50 for your silver customers. Like that, different discounts you can make. So you can use the Next Discount app, which is giving the capping discount. Shopify natively not giving the capping discount. So you can use this app for that. And I'll show you one more thing. So for your easiness to create, Shopify has already added this particular in their template. So if you go to this organize customers by order count IS, you can see this particular flow is already there. So you can install it and you can edit this. So instead of 6, you can give 8, 10, that type of things works for you. So if you're finding this video helpful for you, please do subscribe to our channel. Thank you.